Your face is your window to the world. You can cover up your body with all kinds of clothes, but there's no shirt for your face. But what if you could change your face and actually make it look better? What if you could become more attractive without plastic surgery? This video will show you how you can do that. Let's get into it. There's a saying in Korea where they say there's no better plastic surgery than going on a diet than getting your teeth done. Now, I got my teeth done. I had crooked teeth, and just getting braces, it's one of the best things that I did in that field. I couldn't really smile with my mouth open. I did still, obviously. And they would look at smiley photos of me and be like, yo, that looks good. But I'd always look at that and kind of feel self-conscious about my teeth. So if you're wondering whether you should or shouldn't get braces, my vote would be get it done. Afterwards, you're going to thank Wanhee that you made that choice. In fact, if you want to see me with braces, check out my earlier videos. I have them on. So that's the first thing, because it actually changes your facial structure and it gives you a better smile. The next thing you can change is your hair. I've had long hair in the past. I've had short hair. How do you want to style your hair? Usually if you have short sides, it's going to make your face overall look more oval, and that will be more flattering for most people, unless you already look like a supermodel, in which case every style will work for you. For most of you bros like me who got a round ass face or a fat ass face like I used to have, a short side will do you some good. Obviously long hair kind of can look good. Here are certain styles that I personally like, but just starting to take care of your hair and your hair health as well, which means getting regular haircuts so your hair doesn't split, actually shampooing and conditioning, or adding, hair oil to your hair. These are things that you can all do. Getting a wax that works for your hairstyle. If you want to change your face, your hair is a big part of your face. Change your skin. If your skin looks good, you're gonna look 10 times more attractive than you are now, because skin is one of those things. It's like a sign of a lifestyle, a sign of affluence. If you've got great skin, it just looks like you know what you're doing. You're taking care of yourself. Now, as you can see on the screen, I got skin problems. I think this is genetic. I get spots still, acne still, and if you deal with that, it can be very, very stressful. But anyone with whatever baseline they have, whether you have acne or whatever, you just start to care about your skin more, and this is going to do wonders for your face. So how do you do that? Cleanse and moisturize and put sunscreen. This is what you hear all the time. But my tip to you is actually think about your skin as like the visible feedback that your body gives to your diet and what you eat. Of course, diet isn't the only variable affecting skin, but what I found is that sometimes when I eat certain foods, like Korean barbecue done on like a dirty pan in some restaurant, or like fried chicken, or certain foods will give me spots. Now I know that, so I go to those restaurants less. Do you know your skin triggers? Do you know what gives you the occasional spot? When it happens, keep a log of it. Genuinely put like a food diary, track it, where you say, I ate this on Tuesday, got a spot on Wednesday. Next time, if that happens again, well, 2 points to Gryffindor.
I award Gryffindor House 60 points.
You're not going to have that thing again unless you really, 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 really need it or want it. This is how you start taking control of your body, rather than being at the whim of things where you try certain foods, suddenly your face blows up and you're like, wait, what the hell happened? What's happening? Don't be doing that. Because if you're doing 100 different meals, you're never going to know what triggers that skin situation. Next, change your body fat. The biggest difference you can make to your face is to reduce your body fat, because then your face fat will go down. Your face fat is exactly the same as your body fat. So if you drop your overall body fat by building muscle in the gym on your entire body and losing fat from your entire body, the same thing's gonna happen to your face eventually. Don't fall for these facial exercises, mewing and all this random stuff. They're like the tiny 5% icing on the cake. They won't actually give you the mad results of losing fat and building muscle. Koreans say diet is the best plastic surgery, so if you want to actually look like completely change your face, lowering your body fat is the best way to get there. Just look at these two faces of mine. There's so many people watching this video. You are actually attractive. So many people, if they get lean and build muscle, your structure comes out and you look either you look traditionally attractive, beautiful, hot, whatever, or you just look like a supermodel a little bit. So drop your body fat. The next is to change your style, or I should say improve your dress sense and your style. This obviously isn't a direct change to your face, but it impacts it. Your clothes, your hair, your beard, these are things that kind of become like the frame on your facial features. So improving your dress sense, improving how you wear clothes, is just going to make you look more put together, more well-rounded. If you can start building a style out of your hair, your beard, and your clothes, and everything just matches to give you that authentic look, this is obviously a great way to improve and change your face, or at least how your face is perceived as a result of the way you dress. If you want to learn how to actually dress better as a normal guy, ain't no fashion influencer, watch these videos that absolutely helped hundreds of thousands of people, quite literally. Next, the final thing to change your face is to actually change the inner game, what's inside, what's internally going inside. Now, before you click off, see if you've had this happen. You're in some place, right, in a cafe, and some stunning girl walks in, or guy, whatever, and then they sit down, and then you're just like there, and then you maybe look at them because they're like really attractive or something, and then they're just complaining all the time. They have this bad energy. They start swearing. If they're complaining, swearing, and smoking, maybe all at the same time, I don't care how attractive that person is, when I see that energy booming out of them, it's just they don't look attractive. Compared to that, you sometimes see people that aren't traditionally attractive, but their eyes are so clear, it's like glowing. It's like glowing. These guys be meditating, okay? These guys and girls be meditating, and they look so addictively happy. Not just happy and like I'm high or anything, just like really genuinely exuding a good energy, and your face can actually lighten up. This doesn't mean always be smiling, by the way, because one of the most attractive things you can have in your face is the face of passion, is the face of concentration, deep concentration. I think most people will agree that when you see somebody absolutely deeply obsessively concentrated on something, they look amazing, right? Even if their features might not be as amazing. This is the real secret. You want to fix your inner game. You want to develop your passion so you genuinely become a more attractive person inside, and then the face just becomes the window through which you show your true self. And when those things match, like you're exuding that energy and you're that person and you have that passion, and and then you add all these other tips like the software, if you like, then that's where you really get to change your face in a radical way. Remember, the hardware is the inner game, and the software is the things like the hair, the makeup, and all that stuff.
I want to change his face. Of course, with the face, I can change his mind too.
Coolio. Hope this video helped. See you in the next one.